Right, so Framer has this AI tool that basically creates a website for you, and you can like publish it within like I don't know, a second. So let's just give it a try and see how it works and how well it does. Basically, like all you have to do is just sign up. It's free. Click on Framer AI, and we will paste. I mean, you can basically tell him to do whatever you want, but we will just take this example, basically an NGO landing page about wildlife with a button and a form for donations. And like, we're gonna wait a few seconds. Okay. So we can change the colors on the right side. Not what? Not now. Change the colors, the fonts. The thing is, you can like even refresh the color palette. Yeah, and stuff like that. So yeah, like the end result doesn't look bad, but it's not like, I wouldn't say this is high quality design work. You can probably find a color scheme that looks right. It did exactly what we asked for: a button and a form for donations. Right, there's a button, uh, form, I guess, images. Now, if you want to publish this, like, I mean, you can always like obviously rename, replace stuff, but like if everything is done right, just click on publish. Publish. Uh, just take a random domain. I mean, we're just gonna take an example, and like that's it. Your website is basically live. You can access it. You can, I guess, you can link the donation button to some service and accept donations. It's responsive. It works exactly how you would expect. It's really straightforward. I mean, if you have no experience and you want to get like a website done in like a few minutes, go ahead and use Framer. If you want a custom domain, like I think the price is like $5 or something. Yeah, a month. This is just a test domain, but yeah. Anyway, but now let's just take another example and let's see how complex can it get. So we're just gonna go with the first example, right? A wedding videographer portfolio page. This is what I pasted. Okay, so look, in my opinion, this is not professional design. This is not how a website is supposed to look in 2023. But I mean, it has sections. It's responsive. Some colors actually look decently good. If you match some fonts, I mean, this doesn't look bad. I mean, if you replace this rectangle with a video or something, you can use this. Okay, but now, so we tried a wedding videographer portfolio page. Now uh, let's try something more complicated. Okay, more specific. Wedding videographer portfolio page. Have a hero section with a video playing in the background, a grid section with 9 videos, and a newsletter subscription form. Yeah, let's refresh it because we're getting timed out. So this is the first version, right? Let's just make another request and just wait. Okay, so obviously it's not gonna be able to post actual videos, but it had like placeholders, so you can like replace stuff. Let's just take some more decent fonts. Okay, so we wanted a video playing on the background. I guess this is the video, right? Playing on the background. A grid section with 9 videos. There's not 9 videos. There's like only 4 for some reason. Why? I don't really know. A newsletter subscription form. Yeah, we have one. It works. Yeah, and like, I guess if you want to replace the content, like click on it and then just go to fill and whatever. You're gonna replace your own content. Let's just publish, see if it works. Update. Yeah, I mean, it works exactly how it's supposed to. Everything is okay. The good thing is like there's a CMS option, like you can create like pages and different stuff, so it's like easily usable. Okay, now let's just try something even more complicated. So we have a simple request. a more specific request, and like let's just try one. So the same thing, use light colors. Right now we want light colors specifically. Have a picture of a bride, have a hero section, and basically the same thing. Yeah. So it's not using light colors. I mean, I guess technically it is because it's white, but not really. Uh, there's no bride. Yeah. There's still no 9 videos on a grid. There's only 4 videos, I guess. Uh, yeah. So these are the three, basically the 3 versions it created for me, depending on the like how specific I got with my request, basically. Uh, yeah. So again, it works, right? You can publish it. It's easy to use. Like if you want to replace stuff, just click on it and just replace it. But this is not professional design work. So I don't know. Like at the end of the day, can you use this tool? So it's a cool tool, right? It's easy to use. It's cool. You can like make a page in like 1 minute, and that's nice. But who is this tool exactly for? Because uh, if you have design experience, you're not gonna be using this. You're gonna be making custom stuff, maybe in Framer or like in Figma as a UI UX designer, right? And it's gonna be like way more professional. If you have no experience but need a website, you can use like I don't know, Wix or whatever, right? Because those platforms are basically built to be beginner friendly. Okay, they are really easy to use. Framer is too, but I mean, not really. I don't know. I would say it's not that easy to use. Okay, back to Framer. If you want professional templates and stuff, right? But a no-code platform. So they have templates you can use. A few of them are free, but none of them, not all of them. I mean, that's not clicking for some reason. Browse. Open up. I don't know, but yeah. I mean, they have quite a few templates. I don't know, like 1,000, but it's just, in my opinion, it's not as good as Webflow. They have way more templates. They are way more complex. In my opinion, they're way better. So I guess they could be in between Wix and Webflow as no-code platforms, but yeah, I don't really know who is going to actually use this AI generator page. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. But like I said, it's a cool gimmick. I mean, it works. There's not a lot of variations. It's not going to be able to create anything amazing, but it will be able to create stuff that works and looks okay-ish. Okay. Yeah. So basically, this is how you can use like Framer AI to create a page. And like publish it, but more than that, I don't know. I just don't really see who this tool was built for. Like I said, like Webflow has way better template, and I mean, yeah, I mean it's obviously more complicated, but it's not a one-click solution like Framer. But yeah. Anyway, so but yeah, this is basically the quality you can expect if you want to use Framer. It's easy to use. It's like, I mean, you basically tell the AI whatever you want to build. Technically, it's supposed to do whatever you say, but like in reality, it doesn't really do exactly what you want. So yeah, as of like now, it's not perfect, obviously, but it works. I mean, yeah. So anyway, this is what you can basically make in Framer, and that's how you can use it to generate stuff. So Yeah.